mine. It's not like it's mine. It's not. It's not.
Oh, she fell.
Yeah, because this was his back.
Why are you taking a picture of my shoe? What?
Fly. Hi David, keep going, keep going.
What, the witch?
You make it sound so dirty.
Holy this side.
No, kali kan biar satu.
Yes. You got fit. Who is not fit? Let's see. Anderson barely. Doku, do you think you're gonna fit? Okay, model. What are you doing?
Look up here. It's either girl or it's the sex.
Hey guys, look at his thing. Oh, it's a boy. It's a boy. Look at this.
I dare someone to pat it. I'll pat it.
Now, why should I hold you? How many crocodiles do you have? I was 0.
So guys, this is new experience, okay? People who struggling right now, guys.
Oh my gosh, you see that rock? Oh my days, I'll jump over there. I don't care.
Hey guys. What's the stopping?
No, tell me.
What you want to do?
No, it's okay. Try to hear long.
I want to use it.
Be careful, Supi malantok ka, Supi kalaki. The smaller Supi, the hak sa sabsi. Kada nal hoy sana. Apa tu nal sana. Hey.
That too is too easy. So how is that? Too easy? Keep going.
Easy peasy. Anal para sa lungpol ni Rosun.
ก็ซื้อแค่ก็เข้าที่เราค่ะก็เราเคตั้งในโซนกันก็
Wait, what did you see? A tree. You think there's a portal?
Yes, it is. Keep going. So what? Yeah, I think so. Keep going.
I think so. You heard that something?
Is that your shoe, Brian? Tell me.
In the puddle. The puddle over there.
Alright.
Was too big.
One time on Snap, I was added onto this random group chat. It was like a rolling island. Top 10.
Stay still. Say hi. Video.
My jump pause.
David,
Where are we going?
I don't know. Wherever.
They're going there. I don't get it.
Where's this?
Lao OB Lao hey. Hey David. Good.
Man.
Shortcut. Don't do this. For safety and security reasons, you don't do this, alright?
Guys, we are showing you guys what not to do, okay?
Never do this when you do hiking, okay? Proper hiking. This is only for professional, okay?
Ow! What is this? Oh! Can you take it off? What's that?
Give them a hand, guy.
Superman a day, Spider-Man a day, Iron Man a day, Zong Zong day, Azavayin, Itan Chuanin, Batman a day, Superman a day, Spider-Man a day, Iron Man a day, Zong Zong day, Azavayin, Itan Chuanin, Itan Ka.
So how do you feel? Okay, lunchtime.
Yes! What do you have a tissue on the ship with this?
The wind is good.
So Dana, what do you have for lunch?
I got rice crackers,
Yeah?
I got oranges,
Yes,
and
got the
whatever
oranges.
this is, and I got noodles and rice. Yep.
I like it.
What is this kid?
So, Doc, what do you have?
So I have
Chicken fried rice? Okay, OB, what do you have? Come on, brother. So, let's see, how do you feel? You never fought for a guy, but why you fought like that? What are you gonna eat? All of these? No, are you fasting? Are you fasting tonight? Or today? That's good.
I'm fasting lunch.
Okay, good. OB. Oh, are you not gonna eat anything?
I already ate.
You sure? Yeah, look at her shoes, so dirty.
Cause I do.
I think my shoes more dirty. Let's see.
My shoes are dirty.
Look at where you fall like this, where you clumsy, that's what happens. So David, what do you have for lunch? Sandwich? What do you put inside that sandwich?
Chicken and lettuce.
Chicken? Chicken lettuce. This guy, what are you doing, man? He's making an airplane.
Alright, do you have a thing, paper?
No.
I already asked.
Are you eating your $10?
Hey, that's my
Hey.
Polaroid.
Actually going good. Right?
Hey! Wait a minute, let's roll down. I rolled down 10 times. Hey, what? Hey.
Here we go. Here. Oh, we here. Second wrong. Third wrong.
No.
I thought you were fasting. Sarah was saying. Also, did all you finish?
I am fasting spiritual food.
That's a fish.
Is that fish in here?
That's right.
Throw it. Nah, only one.
Two.
Go. Oh, I'm so tired.
So let's see. Look at what I do.
Nolan is the dog. we bought a KFC.
Yeah, thank you, boys.
5 minutes. Let's do one pizza.
Go the other one, go the other one, go the other one.